Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I hope that you will hit the subscribe button down below and join my little community. So today I am going to talk about using one light to get shots like this. So let's go.
You do things to me that I just can't describe. The way you say my name just makes me...
I'm going to show you a lot of photo examples throughout this video, so keep watching. Right here I am showing my subject how to pose, and I have the light set up, and I will kind of adjust that to where I need it to be as I'm shooting. And in the examples I'll explain how I have my light placement. So here I just have it a little bit to the side, and I'm shooting a little bit more at an angle towards her. And you can see I am directing her as we're going of how I want her to pose. And here is what that photo looks like that I just took. Here I am shooting with my 24 to 70 millimeter lens, and I am zooming in a little bit to get tighter shots as well as wider shots. Here's some photo examples of shooting with the video light directly from the side. One of the biggest tips that I can give is to always adjust the light and try to get it angled to exactly where you want it to be. It takes a little practice, but you'll see once you're shooting, just keep adjusting to get the angle and the light that you would love to have. Here's another shot from this shoot right here. And then I'm going to show you some examples of other photo shoots and explain how the lighting is. These examples are backlit, so the light is directly behind the client. Here I have the light set at a 45-degree angle. Here it is as a side light. I also make sure that I get detail shots while I'm using this light because it can be very beautiful. And then I do the same thing. I'll shoot at a 45-degree angle. I'll also shoot with the light as a backlight, and then sometimes I'll lift it really high and shoot from above, or I have the light from above and shoot directly at the client, but the light is above them. Another great way to use this light is to use it from the side and then shoot with the window to get all these beautiful reflections. Here it is again as a side light, and I do step back oftentimes and try to show more of the room just for a unique perspective. If you want to see more of my work, follow me on Instagram. Up next, I'm going to show you a video clip of a video that I make for my clients. So what I want to hear from you down below in the comments is this something that you would want to see a tutorial on? Do you want me to show you how to make a video clip like this all while you're shooting? So basically how I do this video is I'm shooting and then I video all on my phone. So you can do it with a second camera, or you could even do it with your camera while you're shooting. The reason why I don't do it that way is because I don't want to switch back and forth, just because I find that to be confusing. I have done it before and I just felt like it was too stressful to keep changing my settings. So then I started to do the videos with my phone, and I found it so much easier to do. So if this is something that you want to learn from me, drop a comment down below and I will teach you how to do it. I will drop some links down below of my favorite video lights that I really love to use. And if you have any questions, just drop them down below in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. If you really liked today's content, I hope that you'll hit the subscribe button if you are already not a subscriber. And I hope that you will hit the like button because it really helps me out. Thank you. Bye. What you doing back there, baby? What you doing? Come say hi. Come here, come say hi. Come say hi. It's okay. He's like terrified. Come here. Come here, look. Say hi to the people. Say hi. Are you afraid? Come here. I don't know why he's scared. This is my baby Joey. He's such a good boy. Yeah. Have a good day, guys.